Next speaker,
This next slide.
George Burlibasa. Oh, yes, directly. Okay. Thanks, I think. At the end of George's speech, don't immediately, you stand up, but we'll take a picture of all of us and we'll do a post on LinkedIn so you can also tag yourself. Don't go immediately for the drink, just wait just 30 seconds and then we will take a couple of pictures. Okay, thank you. A great applause to George.
Thank you very much. Let's see how I do this. Oh, okay.
Don't think about that, George, and then go by.
No,
Credeam că de la apartamentul tău s-a dăm piscina și suspendată.
Ok. Dacă nu are nimeni nimic împotriva, aș vrea să vorbesc în engleză pentru că audiența noastră e internațională.
Yeah, sure.
Hello everybody, I'm glad to be here after all these years. I've been a Prestashop developer since 2015 and I'm the CTO of Technical Institute and Biela.dev. Biela.dev, it's a vibe coding platform. It helps you build software at the speed of thought. You just write what you want and artificial intelligence will write the code for you. It's called vibe coding, by the way. It's not Elementor or Wix where you drag and drop things around. You just tell it. You can write or you can even speak to it and it will do anything. And I mean anything. This makes shipping the product much faster than the traditional way. Biela.dev can build in hours what a team of developers can build in months. And by the way, it's available 24/7. What this has to do with Prestashop? If you ask this, it's a legit question. Well, we have successfully created, and we will share with you, by the way, an entire new custom frontend made in modern technology like React or Next.js that you can customize with the help of AI. The frontend connects to your Prestashop with a module that the same AI also generates. This means that even if you want extra functionalities that don't exist on the standard module that we offer, or even that don't exist in Prestashop, with Biela you can build them. Just type what you want, then Biela will create them. The steps of building with Biela are very simple. You can start from scratch to build anything, and I really mean anything, or you can continue from the template we prepared for Prestashop. If you want to go with the second option, you go to Biela.dev/Prestashop, you follow the instructions to import the project that we already prepared for you. And that's it. Then you have to download the module from the same page, you install it in your Prestashop like you install any Prestashop module. And from there, you just move to step 3. It's just telling the AI what you want. If you want a new slider on the homepage, if you want to change a color, if you want a new field on the checkout, basically anything Biela will do. Why should you do that? Well, an entirely new frontend means a fresh user interface that follows industry latest standards. If you want to customize it, you just have to tell the AI what you want. You have infinite possibilities. You just imagine it, and Biela.dev will code it for you. Last but not least, it will save you a lot of money. It will cut development costs by more than 90%, and you can launch new features in minutes instead of days. What else can you do with Biela.dev? Well, you can create custom modules, and we have users of our platform that build Prestashop modules months before this presentation, so months before we announced any connection with Prestashop. Secondly, you can customize it entirely with AI. This means infinite possibilities and lightning fast changes. You can build custom landing pages that load instantly. You can integrate third-party apps with no code writing skills. By the way, you integrate the Google Tag Manager on the front end with one single prompt. So it's very easy to do it. You can even integrate PayPal or the marketer or whatever you want. It will work. Or if you need a CRM for your business or anything for your business, like a stock management system or anything, you can build Biela. The AI will handle all the work in custom development. You just have to tell the AI what to do. It will handle maintenance. It will handle anything. But if you want to switch to the old way of building something, to the traditional way where you hire a team of developers, you can also do this. You can go back whenever you want, because the code is available. It's very well written, and you can modify yourself, or you can hire a team of developers. What's next? Well, we are working on a module that will add Biela.dev in your Prestashop back office. Basically, you will be able to modify your storefront just by typing something in the back office. It's that simple. And we are also working on another feature that will allow you to build custom modules from the back office with the same AI, and that's it. Okay. I have let's do something together. I'm sorry, I have a lot of emojis. Can I have one? Okay, so I told to some of you already know me, that after the presentation we will have, by the way, this is the show. We will have a workshop. So we will modify it together. We will say it's very, very simple. Just let me open. Okay, so this is the store. It's multi-language, by the way. So what you see here, it's connected to a Prestashop store with an API that Biela created. It's a module, you install it, and this custom front office will connect to your store. And here you have, for example, some products, some categories, a very nice slider here. You can go to this product. You can change the dimensions, the color, the picture will also change, the quantity. You add it to the cart. You go to the basket if you want. And here we have a really nice checkout. That I think it's better than the original one, by the way, because one of the main things that people change after installing Prestashop, it's putting one-page checkout module. Who does that? Who has a Prestashop store and put one-page checkout module? One, two people. Okay. So, for example, if I put my name here, I get this really nice picture that announces me that I already have an account and I have to sign in. I do it. I can use some existing addresses as Prestashop originally has. I choose my carrier, choose my payment method. We can put PayPal here, by the way. And that's it. It's a very simple way of buying something on a store, and that's how it should be. That's simple. Now, going back to Biela. Okay. I can't find my full screen. Okay. Yeah, but how do I? Yeah, I found it, but I need it here. I don't know why it's not there. But we will make.
Maybe Firefox has it open on your laptop. Oh.
Sorry for this. It will only take a second. I promise. Oh, okay. We give it 15 seconds to load. You will see why we have to wait.
This is the shop that showed us before.
Sorry.
The same shop you found.
Yeah, it's the same shop, but this time it's in a special environment that allows you to modify the help of layer.
It connects over FTP or
No, it can, if you ask for modifications that require modifications of the module, you can configure your FTP credentials in the env file. I will show you. And it can automatically upload the module. It's very simple. So now we have the same store that you saw before. It's exactly the same one, but now we can tell the AI to do any modification. Like for example, any idea from what we want to modify? Dark mode. Dark mode.
So go with
This is pretty hard, okay. Okay, I can.
website.
But it might take 1 minute or two because it has to go through all the pages to implement.
add product reviews somewhere.
Product reviews, okay. We will add product reviews on the home page and then we will go to product page. Okay, so I will tell the AI add a section with customer reviews on the home page. I want it as a slide. Let's see. I think we have a button.
So is it English or?
No, you can write in any language of the international circulation, even Romanian, Spanish, French, German, whatever. And you can even talk with, there is a microphone button down here, and you will be able to tell with your voice to the AI what to do. So this is not really typing, I swear. You have a question?
Yeah.
Please.
How difficult it is to do something wrong?
It
Or
does.
how easy it is?
How easy? Yeah, it's very easy. The AI is not a perfect technology as developers. We also do mistakes. The AI also does mistakes. The thing is that the AI can correct itself. Sometimes you have to tell it to correct. Sometimes it corrects itself without those functions. But it does mistakes a lot of times.
Can I edit the code? Because you said you're not touching it, but
Yeah, you can edit the code if you want, but you don't need to.
I don't need the code.
I think it will take 10 more seconds. If you see an error on the screen, don't worry, it will fix. No error. Okay,
You were review.
so we have. I get nice. I don't know if they have a mistake that it does all the times because it's lazy. If you are using a multi-language environment, it does not translate all the languages automatically, and we will see it in the result. You say this is still Romanian, but what I need to do to make it in English, it's just say the reviews, the section is not translate. Translate.
Okay.
We give it a little time.
I have another idea.
Please.
Tell it to bring in more customers.
If we connect with the marketer.
And we pay about.
Yes. Okay, now it's generating the translations for Romanian, then for English, then for Spanish. This store has 3 languages. Activate. But you can activate more.
And how do I add my product? Because it's an e-commerce store, right?
Very interesting question. Well, you log in your Prestashop store as you do normally. For example, you saw the order that I did earlier. Well, the back office is still Prestashop. So you go here, the orders, it's this one.
And the bureau section is still here.
Sorry.
If I have a marketing
Company?
Now something, yeah.
Yeah, you just tell the AI to change the image.
So it's not, Prestashop, yeah.
If you want, it can be in the Prestashop. Like you tell the AI to build a configurable hero section. Yes. I will show you. There is a deploy button. Automatically connects to your domain. You will have to change the DNS set the domain. You just hit the deploy button and it's from your domain.
It modify also the functionality of the back office,
Uh,
or it works only for front office?
This template specifically does not modify the functionalities of the back office, but you can tell the AI to create in the module, in the same module that it creates for you, some hooks that you would use in the back office. And this way you can modify the back office. Okay, so let's go to Spanish. Okay, we don't have all the strings translated. Remember, I told you that sometimes it does mistakes. But most of them are okay. And if I want this translated, let's say I just tell it to translate this. It's that simple. You had a question?
Yeah, while we were waiting, I was about to ask about the pricing.
The pricing, well, we have packages starting from 29 euros per month, let's say, which will allow me to do on this specific how AI works. Well, it's basically something that is called a context window with a maximum capacity, for example, 1 million tokens. One token equals, for example, 3 or 4 characters. It depends on the wording that you use. For the AI to be able to modify the stuff, it will have to send the whole project to the AI, and the AI will, output will give you back the modifications it has to do to achieve what you want. So for this specific project, which is a pretty big one, each prompt will take approximately, I don't know, $2-3 or even more if your project goes even bigger. The package of 29 dollars or euros will allow you to 10-15 prompts depending on the modifications that you want. But then you can buy, you can top up your token balances. You can build even more.
I see you have a free account as well.
Yeah, we have free accounts as well. If you join our Telegram and Discord communities, you can get 5 million tokens for free, basically. So we go to the product page to build the reviews. Or any other idea, something else that you want to build?
What about the templates? Those are predefined, you can change them or
So we offer you one template that you can use to modify code. Like, let's take something, for example, let's change the main color to blue, let's say. Change the main color to blue instead of, wait, I think I have another one. Schimbă culoarea principală din portocaliu în albastru.
În albastru de market.
Merge doar și Prestashop.
Nu, merge cu absolut orice. Poți să faci orice. Noi oferim suport pentru Prestashop prin template-ul ăsta, dar dacă aveți un e-commerce, de exemplu, puteți să vă bateți capul și să faceți. Dar bănuiesc că nimeni nu
Deci, practic, cum l-ai conectat?
printr-un modul de Prestashop pe care tot AI-ul generează. O să-ți arăt imediat. Ok, uite, de data asta nu a schimbat culoarea principală, vezi? Deci, deodată mai face chestii de genul ăsta. Iar insiști și la un moment dat o să facă treaba asta.
ce model folosești?
Ce model? Cloud, Sonnet 4.5 și Sonnet 4, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Gemini...
O să schimbi între ele.
O să le schimbi. Unde să-ți arăt făbunul? Și chiar aici. Și e generat tot de AI și e... Ok, mai începem cu culoarea sau aveți alte idei?
Că ne mănâncă tokenii și...
Astăzi fac eu și asta.
Ca și cu apa, îi dai drumul, contorul merge...
If I want to find another yes, first I have to add it in Prestashop, then I just tell the AI to add it.
modification on the checkout page.
Yeah, yeah,
It can be done.
the checkout page is,
Any field, if you add supplementary fields, it
Yes.
will be on the order in the back office.
if you tell the AI to build the necessary hooks for it, yes,
Ah,
it
okay.
can do it.
Yeah, so you must take care about the hooks. So you need some
Yes.
more advanced
Yeah. For simple things,
knowledge about what
that's
you
the
need
thing.
to ask.
With very simple things, it's very simple to create something or to modify something. With more complex things, you don't need coding knowledge, but you need to have a knowledge of how it should be done.
Okay, can you do faster this last example of in the checkout process, one specific field that will
If you
be.
want, let's stay after the.
Okay.
Because it may take 30
Ah.
minutes or 40 minutes.
Oh, 30 minutes.
Yeah, it can take. I have not done this before, so we will.
Okay. Okay, no.
Please.
Can you tell him to look for certain modules, for example, the marketer?
No, it doesn't.
I mean, to do kind of review or reverse engineer of that and reuse the data that is using that module.
No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Or it could be done with some advanced knowledge. You would have to
Okay.
send it the module to ask it to check where the data is being saved or sent, and to ask it to put a hook there. Let's say that will also save the data in your own database, but this would also require changes on their module. Anything? Change the how?
Can you add more sizes? Add another like an XS maybe?
Yeah, but this is done in Prestashop.
Oh,
You have to do it in the back office. So whatever products or sizes or prices you have there, you will see it in this front office. But it's a nice idea. I think it would be cool to have an AI to modify products for you, right? It would be nice. Dark mode. Okay.
I talk in the space of
There's all kinds of. It's live presentation.
We will see.
Să ne zici că-ți tocă neava.
I tell you, this is no simple thing. We can build anything else. While this codes, we can build anything else.
Poate dai mai multe?
Yeah, you can give it for us. So, for example, let's tell the AI to build a landing page for
Black Friday.
Black Friday. Okay, this will be outside of the Prestashop. This is a new project.
Give it,
For
give it, give it a specific niche.
A specific niche. Okay, for Black Friday for shoes. Let's go. So this has now no connection to the Prestashop. It's entirely separate. Because I told you can build CRMs, you can build everything.
Shoes for rainy.
So the output will be,
We can change the prompt after to make the shoes for rainy days.
so the output will be an HTML page or?
No, it would be React or Next.js. If you specify Next.js, it would be Next.js. It tries pretty fast, isn't it? Any other ideas? We can build more. Just tell me. While it does this.
Try with the new customers.
Making new customers, right? Not today. I told you a lot of changes for that.
Da? Vrei să faci just? Ah. Favorezi? Yes.
Does this have the ability to tell you approximately how long will it take to modify what you told it to?
It doesn't have, I haven't thought about this, but I think we have.
At least,
It'd
broad.
be nice to have, send you an SMS
Da, să ne anunțe.
with the market when it's done. Okay,
Am făcut doar montul.
it didn't quite.
Să nu mergi.
Yeah, we will tell you.
Ia uite, bă, ne-am mâncat tot. Trebuie să pui montul de reclamații. Eu tot zic, dă trupe din apoi că
Okay, so we have, it's not rainy shoes, but it's nice shoes, right? Yeah, this is from scratch. Yeah. But if you do the same code with the Prestashop, I think it will be able to. Yeah, see, I told you the AI is lazy, so we didn't pick the functionality to add something to the card. But if you just tell it, it will add it for the card. Let's
nu de la el.
It will not.
Păi nu e că tocmai despre asta e o lecție.
Da, m-a dat 70% de la el pe produsele noastre. Da. Nu se poate.
Eu cred că de exact ce trebuie, că asta e de public finding.
By the way, this page costed 50
Dar
cents.
și titlul ăsta, domnule, s-a scris mai bine.
Okay, let's see the dark one. If you want more to see more, we can keep the workshop for the company.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Okay, do not forget to take the flags because we're not going to bring them back to Paris. Complicated.
But
But,
the lanyards at the end.
yes, and please give us back the plastic badge holder and the lanyard because
That we keep.
yeah, yes, better to keep it also because otherwise we'll throw it away. So just
Yeah.
respect of the plastic-free world. That's it. So you can come here. Now, who's going to take the picture? No, please, just for a second. I'm sorry, I saw you. Because we need to close. We'll take a clip with, you have to go with the other close, right? 3, 2, 1. Oh! The longest applause ever.